Okay, I'm going to do a review of how to find the area of a shape. So remember, when we find the area of the shape, we are finding the space inside of the shape. Perimeter I did a video on is the outside edges. Area is the inside space, okay? So if it is a perfect rectangle or square, what do? We think about it as an array and we just do length times width. So we multiply the length times the width. So if I were to fill this in and view it as an array, if this helps you, it is like saying there are 6 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there are 8 rows. You don't need to fill it in like this unless it helps you. You absolutely can. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 rows of 6. 8 rows of 6. Okay? So 8 times 6 equals 48. Now remember, when we always need to label it for area, we label it square. So if I said 8 inches, I'd say square inches. But I didn't label my measurements, if it's inches or centimeters, whatever it may be. So since I didn't label it, you put 48 square units. Okay, we just counted up the units. Okay, so it's simple as that, length times width. 8 rows of 6. Now, when it gets more difficult is when we have something called a composite figure, where it's not a perfect rectangle or square, and we need to decompose it, okay? So we're gonna decompose this shape into 2 smaller rectangles, and we are going to multiply and add them together using distributive property. So, if you remember, I can decompose this 2 ways. I could decompose it down like this, and I have a perfect rectangle here and a perfect rectangle there. Or I can decompose it going this way. Perfect rectangle there, perfect rectangle there, okay? It doesn't matter, because when you multiply and add them up, the side lengths, then you're gonna get the same answer either way. I'm gonna do it this way because I see that this rectangle already has the length and the width labeled, and this rectangle has the length and the width labeled. Okay, so I don't need to find out any missing side lengths, which is another step you might have to do to find missing side lengths. Okay, I'll give you a quick example. Like if I use this side length, how would I figure out what that side length is? Well, this and this added together is equal to that. So 5 and 5 is parallel with this, which is 10, okay? So that way, if I needed to use that side length, I would have it ready for me. I'm not gonna use that one though. So here's rectangle A, and we have 4 times 5, okay? We have 4 times 5, our length times our width. So we're gonna figure that out. And we have rectangle B, we have 5 times 10. Or 10 times 5 because commutative property, right? I'll do 10 times 5. Those are our side lengths. We are going to multiply those together and add them up using distributive property to find the area of this composite figure. So 4 times 5 equals 20, and I can say 5, 10, 15, 20, right? Plus 10 times 5. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I know sometimes we like to even label in here. So rectangle A, the area is 20. And rectangle B, the area is 50. Just so we can have a really clear visualization of what each is equal to. We need to add it together to get the total area of that shape. And we know 20 plus 50 equals 70. What do I need to add? My label square units. Okay. I hope this helped you guys. Let me know if you have any questions, okay?